Mastermind School annual sports is first prize parents mail আমি পার্টিসিপেট করেছি আমি মানে পেয়েছি আর কি তো ফাবলিয়া শারার লিতি এবং আফশিন নিসা এরা দুজনেই আনবক্সিং করছে দেখি এটাতে কি আছে এসে উঠে যাও
Can you smell the Canada?
I can smell the Canada.
Same.
Bhai, damn pizza. What are you?
নিসা
Yeah, she won a whole ass tab for one.
Oh, wait, what? Wait,
Is that a?
what is this?
What are you?
It's a hot pot.
It's a hot pot?
Spicy hot pot.
So I thought, I was half hoping it was gonna be like an air fryer.
See, I saw this and I was like, wait, is that an air fryer?
Oh, I think it is. But the taste is
Okay.
nice. I feel like schooler ja budget se sob sports dete jay because of how much tech they buy.
Absolutely. Dad, it's so cute.
Jasra already has one tub, by the way.
What?
It's okay, just ask her.
I don't have her at.
Oh, sorry, no, never
it's
mind.
Germany
Hoffman's.
I lost my 113 day streak on Duolingo.
It has a wooden shovel included.
Yo.
Very nice.
It doesn't look like a shovel.
It's a shovel.
That's not a shovel.
That is a shovel.
That is not a shovel.
Power 1500.
don't need to open all
Hoffman's Healthy Life.
Power. I swear, if it ends up
Powder?
being power 1500 watts. That's how much it's rated at.
What powder, bro?
Power.
Wait. It's electric. I didn't read that part.
Imagine not reading the name.
I just saw hot pot and I was like, damn.
Huh?
a spoon
Wait, this is portable then.
Yeah. You know what that means.
Chat.
Are you sensing devious ideas?
Yes. The devious ideas. They're very sensible. Like all of the other events, they barely get anything.
okay got up
Just try it out. Ammo.
open
Hot pot. Electric. Wow.
Electric hot pot,
Oh,
so
wait.
it's portable.
Finally, something useful.
Yeah.
oh they write it again here first
Cool up. Another one.
Oh.
Oh.
wow
Oh my. Where's the wooden shovel?
No wooden shovel?
Is it inside?
I don't think so. Damn.
hmm
Damn.
It is
Oh,
inside.
it is inside.
What did I tell you?
And it even has like the plug and everything.
Yo, wait.
I am smelling it.
I am smelling the cooking coming from this.
This one actually.
hmm
Oh, so this was the thing that was moving around.
It's a spatula. Oh my god.
Very, very nice.
Thank you so much.
it means you can cook something
Yeah. It's also portable.
এটা literally আমরা রুমে প্লাগ ইন করতে পারবো এটা চার্জ
Wait, you know those videos?
Huh?
Like where they make stuff in their door?
oh it's really beautiful
We could do that.
See.
yeah so shall we close the video
Yeah, sure.
all right thanks mastermind yeah it's beautiful
What?
you say something
No.
do you have anything to say
No.
all right bye